got it, man.
It's gonna be that stack of boxes, that first stack.
Okay.
It's gonna be 12 coffees, 2 fours. We're working on the last 4.
Okay.
And then these 6 OJs and these 2 bags. And
Okay.
hurry up. What you doing?
Shit, I don't even know how to attack this, man.
Yeah, right. Pull up right here.
I'm talking about as far as bagging it up and carrying it. I put the coffees in the bag for sure. They're gonna take up both bags.
Yeah. You might want to put the coffee just on the bottom of your floor in the car. Just in case you don't put them in the seat, just in case.
Right, right.
But that's what I would do, put the coffee on the floor and then the rest of the shit in the bag.
And one thing about it, we gonna get it. We gonna figure it out.
Oh, you want me to go with you?
There ain't gonna be nowhere for you to ride.
You should have somebody behind you.
I appreciate y'all. Family, we got everything loaded up. The drop-off was 0.7 miles away. We 0.4 now. We're 2 minutes away from the drop-off. Last time I had this much food that barely fit in the car, it was about a $200 order. So let's cross our fingers and hope this thing go up something ridiculous. But we about to get it dropped off. It's gonna take me a couple trips to unload all of this, so I just hope the drop-off location is easy to work around. But we're practically here. So let's get this thing dropped off. See what that total will be higher talking about. Let's get it. That's it. We're good? That's it.
Sounds good, man.
I appreciate
it, man.
I appreciate you.
All right.
Yeah.
You'll probably be coming back soon. So.
Hey, I hope to see you. You too. Thank you. YouTube. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. 200. Come on now. That's what's up. That's what's up. $200, from 12 to 200. I'll take those. Yes, I do those. Now I got. That's what I'm talking about. $200. That's what's
Please.
up. We got 215, one order. That's all right, man. That's all right. We got to work on this acceptance rate, though. We got to get it back up so we can get our Dash Now back. Realistically, it might not even be today. I'm at 59%. But it's probably going to take me the weekend to get it right where it's supposed to be. But it's the cost of doing business, man. So I'll take my $200 and my low acceptance rate over a high acceptance rate and $3 orders. But it's all good though, man. We got that thing knocked out quick. Dude was cool. He was setting it up. He had it looking all nice in there. That's what's up. I need to know when he placed that order again though. He said I'll probably be seeing him soon, so I need to be right there to get that thing when he do. But let's ride around a little bit, see what we can find, man. Need another catering order. I'm greedy. Let's get it. All right, family. So check it out. I had to deliver that for about it was like, I think it was like at 11:30. I was gonna go knock that out. Delivered that, called me this morning. As soon as I got home, actually, said they wanted me to swap out my order for another order. And they blessed me. They blessed me, man. I had a $30 order, and with all the incentives added up for this one and the gratuity and the extra mileage, we ended up with an $80 Deliverthat. So we on our way to get this thing picked up. Oh yeah, and we back in the Kia. Hopefully, I think it'll fit though. It's honey baked ham. So I think it's just gonna be like some boxes of sandwiches. But yeah, we needed the Jeep this morning, but I don't think we need it right now. So we good. We're gonna go get this thing picked up, and we try to jump on Doordash for a lunch shift after that. There's a little mileage on this trip, but hey, for $80, it's definitely worth the 20. It's like 26 miles, but I put everything up so y'all can see it. I'm just trying to do this off memory. But let's go get this thing picked up and jump back on Doordash and work on this acceptance rate some more, man. Because it's probably gonna take me all weekend. I ain't even gonna set myself up to think that I could do it like real quick. It's so crazy that my status got so low because I really been getting a lot of good orders. So it's a lot of accepts that I gotta cancel out with accepts to knock off the declines. You know how they say it goes. So yeah, that's where we at with it. But let's get this thing picked up, set it up, and get on Doordash. Let's get it.